Let's take a look at a couple different options from Winn when it comes to fresh burger patties. They're packed in vacuum sealed sleeves with easy open corners. This way the customer only has to open what they'll need for the shift. Winn patties are fresh, never frozen, and are made from Black Angus beef combo bins. What burger is best for flat top cooking and what works great for the grill? One thing to always remember is fat is flavor, but the more fat in the blend, the more flare-ups you'll have over open flame. The 75-25 grind is best on the flat top due to the fat content. The flat top will also give it that nice crust. The 80-20 grind will perform very well on the grill and you won't have a lot of flare-ups. This also gives it that nice backyard grill flavor. Winn offers a variety of patties. We have your everyday beef patty, and we also offer some special blends. One example is our brisket blended burger. The brisket blend comes from 3 different muscles: 60% chuck, 30% brisket, and 10% short rib. Adding that short rib to the blend really gives that rich beef flavor. Not only do we have different blends, but we also have multiple sizes. We offer everything from a 2-ounce slider size up to half pounders. Keep in mind, one of the benefits of doing a smaller patty is your cook time. But if you still want that larger burger, you can always double it up on the bun. We've talked cooking procedures, fat content, sizes, and different blends. As you can see, the options are endless with Winn patties. Singles, doubles, triples. Who doesn't like a great burger? Now it's just time to make it your own. Cheers.